Hello and welcome back to another video from La Hueva. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your Y13 smartwatch, one of the most popular smartwatches sold on Temu. If you haven't seen the unboxing and first impression video, I will leave the link right here for you to check it out. But now let's get straight to the point. I'm going to teach you how to connect your watch to your phone, whether you're using Android or iOS. Let's get into it. Alright, first we will need two main things. Your smartwatch right here and your smartphone. Both should be fully charged, ideally close together during the pairing process. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Swipe down and enable Bluetooth. Step 2. Also turn on location services or GPI. These two settings are super important. Step 3. Install the correct app. To do that, go to your smartwatch and swipe to the left side. You will see the little QR code icon on the screen. That's what you are going to scan. Now you open your camera and scan the QR code. Once scanned, click on the link and it will take you to the app page. Click continue. Step 4. You will land on a screen that prompts you to download GP, which means the Google Play Store or App Store for iOS. This is the app for the Y13 uses. Tap install and wait for the download to complete. Step 5. Open the app and accept all permissions and terms. Always click agree, allow every prompt. You will then see a sign in screen. You can either sign in with Google or email, but I recommend tap quick access or skip. Agree to the privacy policy and tap quick access or skip again. We are skipping registrations for now. Step 6. Now we can enter basic info like nickname, gender, birthday, height, and weight. This part isn't important right now, just complete that part, but that is just for the tutorial. Let's enter the nickname and move on. You might see a pop-up, just type back. Now go into the app settings, enable permissions, tap to allow the app to run in the background, and it's done. Step 7. Now we go to the next step, tap me and then search device. You will be asked to give the location and Bluetooth access, tap allow. Then go to permission, location, allow when app is in use. Make sure everything is correctly set. Tap the search button again and the app will begin looking for the device. Once it finds in, tap the device name and it will start connecting. You will see the time update on the watch. This confirmed the connection. Step 8. A Bluetooth pairing request will pop up. Tap pair. Then go auto start settings in the app. Nothing else needs to be done here. The watch should now be fully connected. Now, how do we know for sure? Go to find device option in the app. Tap it and your watch will vibrate or beep. That means you are 100% connected. If something is not working, here are few solutions. Fix 1. Restart your Bluetooth or reboot the watch. Fix 2. Make sure the watch isn't connected to another phone. Fix 3. Unpair and repair the watch. You can do this by going to settings, selecting the watch and typing unbind device. This will fully disconnect it and allow you to start over. And that's for today's video. I hope this guide helped you connect your Y13 the right way. If it did, give us a like, leave a comment and share this video. It's really helped us a lot to reach more people. Take care and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.